Good morning, everybody. Our angels want us to know with trust there's improvements underway and we must use our minds wisely. There is recovery. You are on the right path regarding some aspect of your life and you are highly thought of. They say that a rebirth is assured. An emotional, secure family is important to you, and your loved ones want you to know that your loved ones form a strong pillar of support. Embrace their love and put issues of the past behind you. You are starting to work through the BS and starting to see things clearly. And at this time, it is entirely up to you. Your dreams hold the key to your future. Pay attention. With compromise and perseverance, you will overcome all your problems. You did always have problems to resolve, but you are going to overcome them. There is a change for the better in your life. They want you to let go of feeling stuck. You're not stuck anymore. Be fearless and bold and connect to the energy of love. You're stepping into a new experience. There is peaceful resolutions. Slowly but surely, you are getting ahead. You are in your power now. And they say you must trust the magic. You have overcome a lot of challenges already. And within the next few weeks, they say something new is coming your way. It's something you've always wanted, and it's going to bring you happiness in your home. They say you are being protected from negative forces that are working against you, and trust that there is always enough. There's big happy changes coming into your life, and money will be coming to you. You are on the road to success. And your fortune teller card says a new chapter is beginning. Embrace the change. Pay attention to your work and move forward with confidence. Believe in yourself. They say you must trust the unexpected and trust the magic of the universe. It's going to bring you brightness in all areas of your life. Remember, that's my dream for you. And your loved ones say, just be patient. A wish upon a star will soon be coming true. Have a lovely day, everybody.